Hello everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to prevent people from tagging you on Facebook. Being tagged on social media platforms is a common occurrence, and while some tags are harmless, others can be intrusive, unwanted, or even embarrassing. Fortunately, Facebook provides an easy-to-use feature that allows you to review any posts you're tagged in before they appear on your profile. This feature gives you the power to accept or reject posts, giving you more control over what appears on your profile. To enable this feature, simply click on three lines icon. From there, tap on Settings icon and tap on Profile Settings. In this section, please click on the Profile and Tagging button. From there, select Review Posts you're tagged in. By turning on this feature, you can take control of your Facebook profile and prevent unwanted tags. You can choose to accept or reject any post you're tagged in, which gives you more control over what appears on your profile. It's important to note that enabling this feature doesn't stop other people from tagging you in posts. Instead, it simply gives you the option to review posts before they appear on your profile. Tagged posts will still appear in other areas of Facebook such as search and news feeds. In conclusion, preventing unwanted tags on Facebook is easy with the Review Posts You're Tagged In feature. By taking control of your profile, you can ensure that only the content you want to share appears on your timeline. Thanks for watching.